Okay, today I'm going to quickly look at my trades that I have on for the Iron Condor, analyze it, spend about 5 minutes looking at that, and then I'm going to analyze where we're at for the SPX using the Thinkorswim chart tools. And then I'm going to analyze the Dow Jones and look at the volatility index to see where we are. And then I'm going to tell you about the advantages of monthly trading systems, this website that teaches you how to do Iron Condors, calendar spreads, and so forth. Alright, today is 5/3 and now I'm going to show you the Thinkorswim Analyze tab in the current trade I have for the Iron Condor on the SPX. Before I get into the Analyze tab, I'm going to head over to the monitor and say we got 16 days left before this trade expires. I got 5 contracts and my delta is at 84, my gamma is at -7. My theta is positive around almost 60 bucks every day I'm making on this trade, and today I've got a -84. So if you look at these two, the -84 and the negative here, it will benefit me if the market goes down at this point. So if I quickly look at my Analyze tab, this is an unbalanced Iron Condor, and the reason why it's unbalanced is on my put side I have less risk. I have $800 worth of risk, and on the top side, call side, I have $3,300 worth of risk, and my profit is around $1,700 worth of profit. I have slices set right now in Thinkorswim under the Analyze tab, where you can see if you move around these bars, the slices are represented on the bottom here, and you can add as many as you want, but I like to only add 3. One to show the live trades, and you right click on this and it'll show live right here, and it shows you where the stock is currently trading at. And then on the upside, the slice here, I put it where my break-even point is, and the same up here, my break-even point, to show in a minute here when I go to a chart what they look like. Now, right now, the white shows the time decay, the theta, and if I happen to exit out of my trade right now, I'd be losing $229. But I trade with confidence, and I know that if I give it more time, this white line keeps creeping up to the top of the 1700. Now I'll probably make around about 90 to 80% of this $1,700 because I'll exit out of the trade before everything expires, because it creates less risk for me. And I don't need to necessarily make $1,700. My goal is to make $1,500. So once I get to $1,500, I'll probably go ahead and exit out of this trade. But if the stock keeps rolling up, and it goes into this time frame right here, and this is where the stock is at expiration, I will lose $3,300. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to wait for that stock to do that, because if I see the stock move that far, I'm going to actually, there we go, I'm going to actually adjust my trade or get out before that happens. So in time, this thing keeps going up. So I will not, if the stock does go up, I will lose an 800 bucks. I won't lose $800, because it will it'll time decay keeps going into my trades, which is profitable for me. All right, I'm going to stop with that, and I'm going to go to my slices in my chart and talk about it. These are the slices I was talking about in my chart. I've got the day up, and I've got to show where the current trading is. It's got some support and resistance right here. I've already created my blue channels and where the stock could potentially roll to. And going a little bit deeper, if you see yesterday the stock has rolled over, which is a good symbol for me for the SPX. It's going to help me out, and I kind of knew that because I saw this thing is running up against some support here. So I'm going to quickly take a look at the VIX and see where we are from a VIX standpoint. This is showing VIX where it's been in the historical point of view. I'm going to scroll on a little bit tighter here and show VIX. VIX has popped up yesterday and moved up around 8%. If the VIX stays around here, we're going to see a more of a downturn in the market. So remember, the VIX does the opposite of the market. When it rises, the market falls. When this falls, the market rises. So in the last few weeks, or a couple months here, the market has been going up. It did a little bit of a downward movement and then went back up again. So Let me quickly look at the Dow Jones to see where we are at from a Dow Jones perspective. I've already got my charts out there and I got my lines already posted out there. This is where the stock is currently trading around this range. And yesterday I put this line out there to show this is kind of a top for this, and this is a good symbol that represents a downward movement of the overall market. So that does not look bad at all. And overall, this stock could trade in this range, but I have a feeling when we're going to go down for in the next couple of days, we could come right back up though. We'll have just to wait and see how things turn out. Okay, I'm going to now go to my monthly trading website. Okay, now I'm at my website called monthlytradingsystems.com. And if you want to learn how what I just did, looking at the iron condor and looking at not just the iron condor, but you can look at the calendar spreads, double calendar spreads, single calendar spreads, even triple calendar spreads, and learn how to trade with confidence, no matter if the stock market's going to go up, down, or sideways, or even during a recession. It only takes about 15 minutes a day to analyze your trades, but you've got to learn some basics. Once you learn the basics, it is very, very simple of how to trade. So go to this website, watch this video. I want to quickly go to the bottom here and tell you what you get when you purchase this software. And these are live videos that you'll be able to download and review at your own leisure. So it's an introduction to a business and trading with confidence. There's 4 hours worth of teachings in there that you'll be able to get some general information about how to trade. The Greeks, I talked about the Greeks when I looked at my iron condor, the delta, the vega, the gamma, the theta. What's it mean? How do you trade with them? How do they give you signals of when you're going into bad situations or good situations? So take a look. There's some more videos on that. Trade selections and strategies. What should you be trading? What gives you less risk or more risk if you trade them? I like trading with indexes because it gives you less risk in the market because it's a grouping of stocks. Portfolio building. There's some really good information on how to build your overall portfolio. Tools of the trade. How to use Thinkorswim. I did some of it with just the slices and charts. There's a lot of really good information on how to use Thinkorswim in here. Portfolio management. This is the most important area out of all of the videos is adjustments. How do you adjust your trades when the market goes against you? You don't want to lose the $3,300. You want to make money. So you need to learn how to adjust your trades when that happens. And there's 5 videos there, and there's more on adjustments here. And then how do you close out of your positions? It talks about 5 really good videos on how to close out your trades when you're making money and get out of the trade so you have less risk. Whenever you're out of the market, you have no risk in the market. But as long as you stay in the market, you are always having risk on your plate. So technical analysis, the big picture, another really good example because I covered some of that is my channels and my support and my resistance, and to learn how the symbols, what it means for the candlestick symbols, and to figure out where the market may be headed to. Nobody knows for sure, but it kind of gives you some headlights where to make you feel more confidence in your trading. Some advanced techniques and explosive wealth building strategies. Man, I've got 5 different sections in here, which is lots of different videos on how on explosive strategies to build your wealth within the trading. There are over 40 videos and 24 hours of teaching of the videos. So I'm going to hit directly. Oh, there's more bonuses too. So take a look at the bonuses here. I'm going to go right to what it cost. This is actually really reasonable for all of these videos. There's 2 different options. And the first option is $97 for your first payment and then $37 per month after that. And you get to download the videos at any time you want after that as long as you're still a member. The other option, number 2, is $197. You get a lifetime access to the website. You can download the videos at any time you want. There's also a money back guarantee, a 60-day money back guarantee. So if you're not completely happy, you can get your money back in 60 days. So go take a look at this. I suggest you go ahead and sign up, start learning how to do these trades. It is an art, it is learning, and it's figuring it out. Once you figure it out, it's a piece of cake. So good luck, and hope to see you in the future. Bye bye.